So if your baby is not sleeping, you may want to consider getting one of these. This is the Graco DuoGlider. It's an electric swing. I'm going to do my best to show you guys the easiest, fastest way to put it together. Melodies and a white noise option. So far, so good. All right, so we've got a Graco DuoGlider, and I'm going to do my best to show you guys the easiest, fastest way to put it together. So first, you grab your two arched feet, face them outwards. Then you're going to get the two of the sides. One's got a battery compartment, the other one's got the Graco logo on it. And then you're going to take these, and these are going to kind of snap in to these holes here. Now the other one also has the AC cable sticking out. So there you go, that's the first part. Next is the arm assembly. Take this one, this arched underneath arm, make sure that the shorter end is facing you. These only go in one way, right? So that's gonna go in here. This one's gonna go here. And then you take the second one, clip it into there. And then there's another one underneath here. Now take a provided screw and screw it through here. So now you guys can see that you've got two swinging pieces. Okay, next step is take this tube and insert it through the first plastic hole into the next. Okay, and then repeat the process. Now these should be facing downwards. There you go. Okay, now next grab two of your bolts and you're going to insert them through the holes on the side. Now you got to make sure that these line up there. So the first hole is going to go through here, and then you're going to tighten this up with the provided wrench. And then the second one is going to go through here, and again it's going to go through the middle of the assembly and into the next arm bracket. If you don't happen to have the wrench, you can just grab yourself an Allen key and then just tighten it up. Next, take your plastic cover, and you're going to note that there's a piece of plastic here and there that's going to snap over the tubes, over this and that, and you're going to hear two clicks when you know you did it correct. 1, 2, and then just pull it up. That's how you know it's not going to come off. All right, next we're going to attach the seat onto the actual frame itself. So these two tubes have these little nibs, and then we're going to take the bottom of the seat and then we're going to insert them through here, and then these are going to snap out on that. And then we'll press this in and then click. All right, and now we make sure that that's in. Now this still has to be raised up. To do that, we have to take this piece, this tube, and we have to insert it into right over here. Okay. Okay, so that's in. Now you also have these two supports. You put these above this bar here. This is just another precaution so this doesn't fall down. Then you take these and you just cover these up. Next, take this, and there's only one way for it to snap on here, and then we're gonna turn this to lock it and turn it over the baby until you can't turn it anymore. Now the battery compartment is over here, so you can take this off, and it takes 4 1.5 volt batteries. So if you wanted to go portable, you could. Just make sure you get rechargeable. Let's plug this in and go over some of the features. So power, and you can kind of hear it. Mode 1, you can see that it's already going. If I turn that off, it's gonna stop on its own. Right? So the volume control is over here. That's down. It's not really that loud, but the speaker is over here. So for the baby, it's loud enough. You got your mute button as well. Now you got a timer mode as well. Now if I turn that on again, now mode 2, you can see that it's a much wider motion. Let's go 3, even more of a swing. 4, Definitely. Now you can start to feel. And there's 2 more modes. Now this one's really rocking it hard. What do you think? Mommy's over there concerned. And then this is number 6. It seems actually gentler than number 5. Yeah, that one seems longer stride. Now, turn on some music. Sounds like a doorbell. Okay, we're gonna go to number 1. So this is the white noise. You got water. Another water splashing. Sounds like lightning. Birds. All right. So timer. So everything is in play. We're strapping him in. For his size, it's pretty big. And turn that on. So we are gonna start with 1. It sounds like a clock. That's pretty good.
Oh, I like this one.
Huh?
I like it. Okay. Like this.
Turn on some Z. What would you like to listen to? That's a good one. The speaker's right over there. He's waking up, so usually he cries. So far, so good. And it's not too big.